Today, I'm talking about something that we've all experienced at least once, the dreaded hangover. Hey party people, welcome back to our channel, Life Happens. But don't worry, I've got some top tips to help you possibly prevent a hangover. Plus, I got a special recommendation from Life Happens supplements that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. We all love a good time, but nobody enjoys the hangover that follows. Here are some tried and true methods to help you avoid the next morning misery. First up, hydration. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it makes you lose more fluids than you take in. Drink a glass of water between alcoholic beverages and before you go to bed. This simple trick can help keep you hydrated and lessen the severity of a hangover. Number 2, eat before you drink. Never drink on an empty stomach. Eating a meal rich in carbs, fats, and proteins before you start drinking can slow down the absorption of alcohol, giving your body more time to process it. Foods like pasta, avocados, and nuts are great options. Number 3, choose your drinks wisely. Some alcoholic beverages are more likely to give you a hangover than others. Dark liquors like whiskey and red wine contain congeners, which can increase the severity of a hangover. Congeners are toxic byproducts of the fermentation process, and they contribute to the flavor and the color of the beverage. However, they can also contribute to worse hangovers. Opt for lighter options like vodka or gin, which have fewer congeners. Number 4, take it slow. Pace yourself and avoid binge drinking. The faster you drink, the harder it is for your liver to keep up. Sipping your drink slowly can help reduce the overall amount of alcohol you consume and lessen your chances of a hangover. Number 5, supplement with B vitamins and zinc. Studies have shown that taking B vitamins and zinc before and after drinking can reduce the severity of hangovers. These nutrients help your body metabolize alcohol more efficiently. Number 6, Poor Decisions by Life Happens. Speaking of supplements, let me introduce you to Poor Decisions by Life Happens. This alcohol metabolism and hydration supplement is designed to help you recover quickly and effectively after a night out. Poor Decisions contains vitamin B6, potassium, milk thistle, rosemary, and schizandra berry extract. These ingredients work together to support liver function, replenish lost electrolytes, and help your body process alcohol more efficiently. Number 7, avoid mixing different types of alcohol. Stick to one type of drink throughout the night. Mixing different kinds of alcohol can increase your chances of a hangover. If you start with wine, stick with wine. If you start with beer, stick with beer. Number 8, get plenty of sleep. Alcohol can disrupt your sleep cycle, leaving you tired and groggy. Make sure to get a good night's sleep after drinking. A well-rested body can handle the effects of alcohol better and recover faster. Number 9, take it easy the next morning. If you do wake up with a hangover, drink plenty of water, eat a nutritious breakfast, and consider taking a pain reliever like ibuprofen to alleviate headache symptoms. Avoid acetaminophen as it can be harsh on your liver when combined with alcohol. Number 10, speaking of getting a restful night of sleep, definitely check out Do Not Disturb by Life Happens. This supplement contains a tri-blend of magnesium as well as L-theanine and passion flower to help you with a restful night of sleep. We know alcohol disrupts sleep, and this supplement is designed to help aid in a restful night of sleep. All right, that wraps up our top ways to possibly prevent a hangover. Remember, the key is to drink responsibly and take care of your body before, during, and after drinking. And for the extra support, don't forget to check out Poor Decisions and Do Not Disturb by Life Happens. They're available at lifehappens.com or on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. Leave a comment below with your favorite hangover preventative tips or any questions that you have. And of course, the best possible way to prevent a hangover is not to drink at all. Thanks so much for watching and stay healthy, my friends.